Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how I make a quick and easy mango shake with lemon. So I prepared all the ingredients here. I have 2 mangoes, 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, around 1 to 2 cups of ice cubes, and of course we will need 200 ml of milk. So all we need to do is just cut the mangoes and the lemon and put all the ingredients in the blender. And I will let the blender run for about a few minutes. So let's start. I already put the mangoes in a blender jar. Let's add the rest of the ingredients like the ice cubes, the white sugar, and the juice of the lemon. Skip adding sugar if you don't want to. That's up to your taste. Or you can substitute, instead of adding sugar, you can use honey. And you should not forget to add the cold milk. Once the ingredients are all in, cover the jar, turn the blender on, and let it mix for a few minutes or until smooth and creamy.